Tylenol and autism. It is probably correlation, not causation. We're going to talk about the difference between that. I'm Dr. Terry Simpson. I've actually published scientific papers. I'm a physician, so I have some experience with this. This is something we always have to watch out for when we make broad conclusions. Let me give you an example. About 90% of the people who had car accidents today were drinking coffee in the morning. Does coffee cause car accidents? Probably not. But you can make that correlation and make it fit very well in some nice little graph. But that's the problem. Here's another one for you. Of all of the women who had children that had autism or autism spectrum disorder that took Tylenol, they have other children who do not have autism spectrum disorder, and they also took Tylenol during that pregnancy. Correlation is not causation. We fight this all the time. Here's a few other simple facts for you. Vaccines and the things in the vaccines do not cause autism. Plenty of robust data showing that, even though anti-vax people will deny it. Here's another one for you. Amish people have the same rate of autism as the rest of the United States of America. There is no difference. There is no group of people that have ever been found that do not have autism. So when you start thinking about things and people are making these broad statements, think, is it correlation or is it causation? And do they have really good scientific data backing it, not just data in a petri dish or data that happens to a mouse or a rodent of some sort? Because that's the kind of data that should be brought forth to the American people when they talk about taking away something like Tylenol, which relieves pain, and especially when they're terribly wrong when they talk about vaccines or the things in the vaccines, because those have been definitively proven to not cause autism. I'm Dr. Simpson. I'm really tired of this nonsense. I'm sure you are too, but I'm going to keep speaking out about science and for science, regardless of what your political agenda is.